Hi everyone, my name is Shripal Jain. I'm a qualified chartered accountant, licensed CPA, and one of the co-founders of Samandar Education. Today we are talking about one of the breaking news in Enroll Agent exams. Enroll Agent, first of all, is the biggest US tax exam, right? It is typically a qualification being issued by IRS itself, which is US income tax itself gives this qualification, folks. And that's why it's considered to be one of the prestigious and respected qualification in the US. Now, what is the breaking news, sir? Typically, EA exams used to be conducted across the year except for March and April. Now what have happened is one of the significant update have come in the EA exams. From 1st March 2026, EA exams will not be conducted in Prometric. That means in-person testing. So sir, ये क्या होता है? Typically when you go for a CAT, GRE or GMAT, normally you go to a Prometric test center and give your exams. Now what have happened with this significant update is there is no more Prometric exams. So that means what? Now the exams would happen remote. Yes guys, you have heard it right. Now you'll sit in your home and write the EA exams. Will be proctored completely and with AI level of technology. So what IRS is trying to do is it's using technology mode now, and it's scaling the examination like anything. Now, who is then the new provider, sir? So the new mail which have come from IRS is PSI test centers. They will be the one who will administer the Enroll Agent exams, folks. So PSI Services LLC will be developing and administrating the EASEE exam. So scheduling is expected to begin 1st May 2026 with a test rollout of July 1st, 2026. That means April and May EA exams will not be conducted. Normally the EA exams are always also there in April and May, but it will not happen because the test rollout will happen from 1st July 2026. So you can effectively write your Enroll Agent exams from 1st July 2026 in a remote, in a proctored manner. Sir, why is this a big news? Because previously what happened, slots used to be a big problem in Enroll Agent exams. Ab slots ka mara-mari nahi hai. You can directly sit at home and write your exams, and the best thing is you don't have any eligibility like BCom and all those stuff like you have for CP exam. This makes EA one of the most popular qualification and sought out qualification now for all the graduate students, all the people who want to set up their own US tax practice, people who want to kind of get into big fours and US based MNCs. This is a qualification to watch out for from 1st July 2026. Now sir, what should I do? Should I enroll now or should I enroll later? My suggestion would be to enroll as soon as possible, because if you will prepare for next 3-4 months, you can write your exam in 1st July 2026 with our updated EA material of Fast Forward, which covers all the latest Trump tax bill as well. So why are you waiting for? Please enroll now. Thank you so much.